today I'm going to be making a galaxy themed ocean clock. Starting out with some Tea Expert 1-to-1 resin, as well as some Let's Resin black pigment paste, and some HTV Ron chunky glitter. And I'm going to link all of the products that I'm using down in the description box below. So I'm just starting out mixing that up and putting that into my clock mold.
It was your sweet, sweet smile that drew me in, and I rarely used to let anyone in. It was your smooth, smooth voice that invited me in, and that's where our story really begins, really begins, really begins. Heartbeat racing, this is all I need. Heartbeat racing, is this my reality? Heartbeat racing, dreaming, it's just you and me. Heartbeat racing, this is all I need. It was a sweet, sweet smile that drew me in, and I rarely used to let anyone in. It was your smooth, smooth voice that invited me in, and that's where our story really begins, really begins, really begins. Heartbeat racing, this is all I need. Heartbeat racing, is this my reality? Heartbeat racing, dreaming, it's just you and me. Heartbeat racing, this is all I need. This is all I need. This is all I need. And that's where our story really begins, really begins, really begins. That's when.
Okay, I have I use my Cricut just to make some little things here, little moons, and so those are some moons that are white. Don't know if I'm going to use all these, but I can always save them and use them for another project, if not. And I'm just going to put less than that of black and more white. That's pretty dark. Okay, let's keep going with the white. Alright, so I'm gonna do white on its own, plus the gray. I don't know about the blue. I think I'll leave that out for now. See if I can pick it up and stick it on there. There.
I don't even notice the rain. I'm on fire whenever you call. I can feel the love in my veins. Take me higher. I'm starting to fall. I don't even notice the pain. In so deep, I can't feel the ground. I've got every reason to stay. Yours to keep. Lost and then found. Hold on tight to every moment. Hold on to me. Your hands show me all your colors. Oh yeah, show me your light. Ooh, when you feel lost in the dark, I'm here, no, we're never apart. 'Cause I found shelter in your arms. I found forever here in your heart. And it seems heaven's not so far. 'Cause I feel home wherever you I feel home, feel it wherever you are. I can see it all in your eyes. I feel home whenever you're close. Locked into a moment in time. You should know you're never alone. Take the wrongs and make them alright. You've got me whenever you're broken. I can write our names in the sky, falling free. We're out in the open. Hold on tight to every moment. Hold on to me.
Okay, so I have my Cricut that I just printed out some little, like a whale tail and a dolphin. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this on here and then give it one more top coat. All right, so we're just gonna put a couple of little drops. Okay, so, oops. Let's just make sure it gets all over it. And then I'm gonna dab it with one of these paper towels. And this was thanks to Claire's Crafty Corner. She actually did some, I think they're pendants with this kind of technique. Is it pendants or, I'm not sure which name. I think it was pendants. I watched her video, it was pretty cool. And then once this dries, I should be able to peel them off and put them on my piece, right? Let's give it a little squirt of alcohol. And that actually looks pretty cool. I think it looks more realistic. Wow, cool. I'm gonna put a little, another drop of black on each. That looks kind of cool. So it's made it like a very dark gray versus the light gray that it was. Like this, here. This was the color before, so now that is like a dark grayish color, and I think it's pretty, very cool.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Okay, here is the completed clock hanging on my wall. I think it came out great, and I hope you do too. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.